Hello students, today we have seen class 6th history chapter number 7 India during the Maurya period. All questions and answer. First, answer in one sentence. First, why did the satraps begins to fight among themselves? Answer is the satraps fought among themselves due to a struggle for power after the death of Alexander. Second, whom did Ashoka send to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism? Answer is Ashoka sent his own son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism. Third, what were the occupations of the people during the Maurya period? Answer is agriculture, production of glaze, pottery, shipbuilding, weaving and dyeing cloth, metalwork, pottery, ivory work, and trade were the occupations of the people during the Maurya period. 4. Which animals' engravings are found on the Ashoka pillars? Answer is the engravings of lion, elephant, and bull were found on the Ashoka pillars. Second, can you explain first satrap? Answer. Satrap were the Greek officials deputed by Alexander while returning to Greece to administer the conquered territory. Second, Sudarshan. Answer is Sudarshan was a dam built by Chandragupta Maurya near Junagadh in Gujarat. Third, Devanampiya Piyadasi. Answer is Devanampiya Piyadasi was the title assumed by Emperor Ashoka which was engraved on stone inscriptions and pillar edicts raised by him. 4. Ashtapad. Answer. The board game of chess during the Mauryan period was known as Ashtapad, which was very popular among the people. Question number 3. Recall and describe. First, the extent of Chandragupta Maurya's empire. Answer. Chandragupta conquered Magad by defeating Dhanananda. Chandragupta Maurya annexed Kabul, Kandahar and Herat in Afghanistan by defeating Seleucus Nicator. He conquered Avanti and Saurashtra. Second, extent of Ashoka's empire. Answer is Emperor Ashoka further expanded the Mauryan Empire. His empire stretched to Afghanistan in the northwest, Nepal in north up to Bay of Bengal in the east, Saurashtra in the west, as well as Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka in the south. Question number 4. Match the following Group A and Group B. First, Emperor Alexander. Answer is Emperor of Greece. Second, Megasthenes. Answer is Ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. Third, Emperor Ashoka. Answer is Emperor of Magad. Question number 5. What is your opinion? First, Alexander had to turn back. Answer is first, during the Indian invasion, Alexander's army had to suffer severe hardships. Second, the army was also away from home for a very long time, so the soldiers were eager to go back. Third, therefore, they rebelled against Alexander and he was forced to go back to Greece. Second, coins of Greek kings were characteristic. Answer is first, the Greek kings minted characteristic coins. Second, on one side, the coin had a picture of the king who had minted the coin, and on the other side, a picture of a Greek god. Third, the name of the king was also written on the coin. 4. Alexander's coin were of the same type. Third, Emperor Ashoka decided never to wage war again. Answer is first, Emperor Ashoka decided never to wage war again when he witnessed the bloodshed and devastation caused by the Kalinga War. Second, Emperor Ashoka had a change of heart and embraced Buddhism. Question number 6. Describe in your own words. First, public welfare works of Emperor Ashoka. Answer is first, Emperor Ashoka laid stress on the creation of facilities for the welfare of the people. Second, he made provision for free medicine and medical treatment for people as well as for animals. Third, he built many roads. Fourth, he dug wells and built dharmashalas. Second, means of entertainment and sport of the Maurya period. Answer is first, different festivals and functions were celebrated in villages and towns. Second, dance and music concerts were a part of the entertainment. Third, wrestling bouts and chariot races were popular. Four, board games and chess called Ashtapad was also popular. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.